Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. One of the months that I love to decorate for is actually February. I love Valentine's and everything it stands for. Just loving each other. That's what, it's biblical. That is one of the most significant things God mentions in the Bible so many times. And so I love Valentine's for that reason. So when I saw the Love Blooms collection by Lella Boutique for Moda Fabric, I knew I wanted to do a Valentine quilt. And I also remembered how popular foundation paper piecing has become. It's been easily our most successful series we've ever done. And I reluctantly filmed videos on that thinking, is there enough people out there interested in foundation paper piecing that'll watch these videos? And boy, was I surprised. We love it. And so do the customers. So what you're looking at here is a quilt. I actually designed it at night when I was thinking about foundation paper piecing and Lella Boutique's beautiful fabrics, and it just came together and it's beautiful. This is the foundation paper piecing heart and lattice quilt, and you want to be able to reserve this kit. We're literally receiving the fabric right now. And of course, once it gets here, we're going to get busy, very busy, cutting these kits and getting everything prepared. In addition to that, the pattern that you'll be receiving is incredible. Not only has it, of course, in full color, but it's been tested over and over. Those things that bring value to patterns and convenience are things like the foundation papers being included. They will be included in your pattern. I love that. When I look at my kind of library of foundation paper piecing patterns and books that are at home by other designers, I have to go Xerox that. I have to go buy the Carol Doak foundation, get in my car, go find a place that I can Xerox that over and over again. I don't want to do that, especially when it's snowing. I don't want to do that. So that is included in your kits. What else is included that our customers love are stickers. As you make a cut, you sticker that fabric. Make the next cut, sticker that fabric. And if you've done foundation paper piecing, you know how important it is to stay organized. It makes the process and the journey of doing foundation paper piecing so much easier and more fun. So we've included stickers as well. Now, once I got the quilt designed, I just kept going. And I could not wait to do a coordinating table runner because I just thought this was the perfect marriage of design with fabric and a beautiful quilt with a matching table runner, maybe even some napkins, was just a perfect ensemble. The kits for the table runner will be available quicker. This is a lot more for us to put together. So this is called a reserve. You're able to make a $10 deposit toward the cost of your kit right now. And this is the beautiful coordinating backing. Of course, a quilt like this deserves the perfect backing, also, of course, from Love Blooms. Now, I will be filming a tutorial on how to make the foundation paper piecing block. So if you've never done this, I'm going to take you there. I'm going to take a deeper dive into foundation. You're going to go, really? It's that easy and fun? And yes is the answer. I'm going to take you there. And we'll also go over the patchwork, giving you some good tips and techniques. So whether you're making the quilt, the runner, or both, you can be absolutely successful, even if you're a beginner. These are the notions that we use to put together both the sample quilt as well as the table runner. I'll just call your attention to it, and you'll see me use these in greater detail in the tutorial. And the add a quarter is the most important tool on the table. That is uniquely engineered for the process of foundation paper piecing. We'll take you there in that tutorial. And that's part of the go-to kit of foundation paper piecing. So if you don't already have a set of the add a quarter rulers, choose your favorite yellow or pink and just grab the combo set when you reserve your kit, or perhaps purchase the table runner, or maybe and or both. The other things on the table are just kind of standard issue. Of course, fresh blade in the rotary cutter, the scissors, all of these things. This is by far your most important. And grab either a glue stick or maybe the sew line. We're going to use just a little bit out of that glue, but I'll be going through all of that once we take that deeper dive into the tutorial of how to do those heart blocks. But the most important thing, because we already put in that purchase order and we've already been informed that we cannot add to that, it's reserved this kit. It is always about that. We can get notions any day, but these kits are always very limited and they go very quickly. So be sure to reserve your kit, your backing, any notions you might need, and subscribe. This is exactly how you are the first to know about these kits and so much more.